Wow. Beautiful place, and on my back or behind you can see the clouds.
Rock on bro andi selavu roju గడిపేతాం లైఫ్ కింగ్ సైజు ఒకే గదిలో ఉక్కపోత చాలు.
Hi everybody, today I am going to Mysore. Now I am in Ooty. Go stop Ooty. So whenever you come to Ooty, please do visit to this place. They charge very less amount and nice accommodation. So I am moving from Ooty to Mysore. We'll meet in Mysore. Okay, I'll shoot the entire log from here. Okay, we'll meet in Bengaluru in the evening around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. See you guys.
సెలవు రోజు గడిపేతాం లైఫ్ కింగ్ సైజు ఒకే గదిలో ఉక్కపోత చాలు. గడి దాటాలి కళ్ళు కాళ్ళు కలలు ఏ దిక్కులో ఏమున్నదో దాని పోగు చేసుకుందాం ఖుషి మన్నాటలో చెత్తోడిలో అనాలి నేడు మనలో మనిషి.
Mysore. Thank you. Indriya Vidyalaya Ooty.
మనసిప్పుడు మబ్బులో విమానం నేలైనా తిండితో సమానం.
Chocolate.
మత్తుల్లో ఇదో కొత్త కోణం
Homemade chocolate.
మత్తుల్లో ఎగురుతోంది ప్రాణం.
All mixed up.
ఆనందమో
Because
ఆశ్చర్యమో
plus mixed होके 158 है.
దేవుడి పొందలేని సమయం వృధా. తేజమో
कितना बार? Thank you. इसको अभी रखना है. You have to keep it inside safely till I reach Bengaluru. ठीक है, पहले इसको इसमें रख देंगे. हो गया. अभी इसको इधर लॉक नहीं किया. राइट, ये हो गया. इसमें रख देंगे. One. To cover fully. Very cold, and I am not wearing winter. Very cold cover in my jacket. So now, cold generally Ooty, summer cold and morning it's very cold, around 15 degrees centigrade only. Okay. Let me drive. Let's go. रास्ता में शॉपिंग करना होगा।
Rock on bro అంది సెలవు రోజు గడిపేద్దాం లైఫ్ కింగ్ సైజు ఒకే గదిలో ఉక్కపోత చాలు.
This is also Mysore? Two-wheeler is not allowed?
Not allowed. Two-wheeler, four-wheeler not allowed. The police is there.
Okay.
Then you go on 50 kilometers.
That's good. I'll ask them. Not allowed? He is not allowing me to go Masingudi, Madumalai, Mysore, Pokapuram. Okay, now let us go. He is not allowed.
గడి దాటాలి కళ్ళు కాళ్ళు కలలు ఏ దిక్కులో ఏమున్నదో వేటాడి పోగు చేసుకుందాం ఖుషి మన్నాటలో చెంతోడిలో అనాలి నేడు మనలో మనిషి.
Ooty carrots ಕಿಲೋ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಕಿಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
One ಕಟ್ಟಿ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. Katti means how many will come?
6 piece.
6 piece, 6 piece. Total how many came?
6. 6.
Okay, keep it. 100 rupees? Take 100.
You want to corn? Sweet corn?
Not.
Okay.
Thank you. So purchased Ooty carrot. Ooty carrot? Okay. I'm going to Bengaluru. Enamma?
నా బతికేద్దాము నిండురే పగలు ఇది మనం ఇదే మనం క్షణాల్ని జీవితంగా మార్చే గుణం ఇదే ధనం ఈ ఇంధనం రానున్న రేపు వైపు నడిపే బలం.
come? Where do you want to go? I am going to Mysore. Okay. Come quick. Which school? Which school? School है ना?
Rock on bro అంది సెలవు రోజు గడిపేతాం లైఫ్ కింగ్ సైజు ఒకే గదిలో ఉక్కపోత చాలు గడి దాటాలి కళ్ళు కాళ్ళు కలలు ఏ దిక్కులో ఏమున్నదో వేటాడి పోగు చేసుకుందాం ఖుషి మన్నాటలో చెంతోడిలో అనాలి నేడు మనలో మనిషి
This is wrong. I should have taken down there. Okay. Luggage will pull me back. I have this bad experience already in. Let me just take this up.
I'm in Tan Tea Estate. Wow. They didn't allow me inside bike, so I'm just taking a small walk here to show you this place. You can see here. I'm in Tan Tea Estate. Here you can see the beautiful place, and on my back or behind you can see the clouds, fog. Wow. So entire tea estate, this is beautiful. It is looking beautiful tea estate. They didn't allow me inside with bike, but you can see.
Bike I have to take into normal way, because if I don't do it properly, the weight will pull me down. Too steep here. I would have parked bike there only. It's okay. See? Let me know. Technique here is go back, see the weight. This is the technique, otherwise it will pull me back. Right. Let's go, buddy. It's too steep because it's difficult to balance, and with weight it will be too difficult. Now you watch this, क्या नज़ारा है. Locked. Both. That's good because they lose. See the view. Energy bar. How much that oil? Eucalyptus oil? Bamboo oil how much? Kilo. And this one oil? Eucalyptus oil? Okay. 100 ml 125. Mysore, right? Mysore. Right or right? Zero, है ना? अन्ना go straight, hello. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ see the accident. Oh God. Let's take a break, buddy.
stop here near Hotel Heritage River Club. Just have some breakfast. Still a long way to go.
Two hours later.
Now we are in Mysore entrance. We are in Mysore, or we are about to enter into the main city, Mysore. So from here onwards, I'll shoot. You watch this video. Let us start. It took a lot of time to reach from Ooty to Mysore because they didn't allow me to go through the shortest route via Masangudi. So it took almost all. I'll just tell you, I started around 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 1:30. I reached. That means even if I take 8:30, 8, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 5 hours it took to reach Mysore city. Actually, the total journey was around 6.5 hours from Ooty to my home, but this different route made me to spend 2 more or 3 more hours extra. Let us go through Mysore city. I know this city, I have been to this city so many times, but I want to show you. So let us. It's a very well constructed, developed city in southern part of India. Maharaja Palace. There are so many entrances for this Mysore Maharaja Palace. So this is the back side. This is the back side entrance. This is the back side entrance. There you have to go roundabout and you can take a turn and you can see the entire palace.
After leaving Mysore, my mobile stopped working and I have route written on paper. I followed that route, but I should not go to Bengaluru city. I have to take somewhere a turn to reach my home, but I couldn't understand where to take a left turn and where to take a right turn. So I almost all crossed Ramnagara, Bidadi, and then I struck in a heavy traffic jam near Nice Road Junction. Then I asked some people, they told me to take the Nice Road Junction. So I went to Nice Road toll booth. They told me to go to the end of this Nice Road and take a U-turn. So I reached the end. I took a wrong U-turn and then somebody helped me and told me to take the right turn. So after taking the right turn, again I traveled for so many minutes in Bengaluru city. That too without route map. It is very, very difficult. But somehow after a long time, near about 40-45 minutes inside the Bengaluru city, somehow I reached this spot. It's around 5:30. I reached Bengaluru city, but I lost route. I went here and there. Somehow I managed to come to the direction in which now I can travel my home. It may be half an hour more. So once I reach home, I'll be in touch with you. Right. Thank you very much for joining with me through this entire trip, 4 days and 3 nights. I'm really tired. I'll make a special video to express my sincere thanks to all of you, hundreds of people who have followed me in WhatsApp or through other social media, who have encouraged me a lot and supported me throughout this ride. I'll make a special video and I'll explain why I have this interest for traveling and why I like to travel in the coming videos. So I extend my sincere thanks to all of you who have supported me throughout this journey. Take care. We'll meet again soon.